Hi, welcome to the costs module. So in this module, we're going to talk about a variety of different costs for the firm, and we'll compare these costs in the short run and long run. And we will first measure costs using both explicit and implicit measures, also known as opportunity cost. There'll be a discussion about short-run costs for the firm, how they can minimize their costs in order to maximize their profits. And of course, short run, the firm has an input that it cannot change, an input that is fixed. And long run, on the other hand, the firm can adjust all its inputs. All inputs are variable. So the firm in the long run will have lower costs because it has greater flexibility, has more options in the long run than it does in the short run. So there'll be a lot of terms that we're going to define in this cost chapter between fixed costs, variable. Also, we're going to define marginal cost, total cost, and all of these costs have averages: average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost. So just be aware you're going to be hit with a lot of cost definitions. And while it may seem mundane or boring, these cost terms, we're going to use them throughout the rest of the semester. So really important you pay attention to the difference between the short run and long run costs. Okay. And also pay attention to marginal cost, because these are the cost concepts that we're going to use throughout to determine where a firm maximizes its profits. It needs to have, and you need to have, a good understanding of the cost side of things before you can decide how a firm goes about maximizing its profits. And the last point I'll be on the lookout for are these cost curve shapes, how they're related to each other, because marginal cost and average cost do share a relationship, and it's important that you understand that relationship. And then finally, it's also marginal cost and marginal productivity. Those cost curves and productivity curves are related. They're inverse images of each other. And same for the average cost and average productivity. So a lot of good stuff in this chapter. I hope you enjoy it, and good luck.